Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the Giotto's rocket air blower. So let's first take a look around the outside of the packet. So in this packet is a Giotto's rocket air blower. It's available in three sizes: large, medium, and small. This one is the large size, measuring 190 millimeters long or tall. And it's available in three colors: black, blue, and red. And taking a look at the back of the card packaging of this Giotto's rocket air blower, there are a list of specifications and features for this air blower. It is made from natural rubber and the nozzle is made out of ABS. And it does feature a patented rocket tripod fin design. And now let's go ahead and open up the packet. But of course, cutting apart the sticky seal that's keeping the packet securely sealed, and sliding off that card backing. And just going to set the card down on the right hand side of the frame, and just giving you a direct look in the clear plastic bubble with the Giotto's rocket air blower inside of it. And now just tipping that blower out and setting it on the tabletop so you have a nice, clear, unobstructed view of this Giotto's rocket air blower in the large size, which is the largest size, standing at 19 centimeters tall. Now let's take a close-up look at this air blower. So you can see it does have a vintage style rocket design with 4 fins at the bottom. So it does have that patented design to keep it standing upright for convenient storage. And of course making it easy to find next time you're looking for it, because standing it upright does prevent it from rolling around as compared with other conventional air blowers without that patented fin design. And now giving you a closer up look right now. So you can see that nozzle there, made from ABS. And the main body and overall design or construction of this blower is made from environmentally friendly natural rubber. So right there you can see the Giotto's branding there, and the patented labeling near the bottom towards the feet or fins of this rocket air blower. So giving you a look right there of this large size super blower or duster, and taking a look at the underside as well. So you can see there is an inlet air valve at the bottom, and giving you a look at the fins as well. So nice and chunky and flexible. And resting it in my palm, this 190 millimeter tall air blower. And just taking another close-up or much closer up look at the overall design and construction of this large air blower right there, with its detachable nozzle and following through right down to the body with the Giotto branding. And right down to the underside as well with the inlet valve. So giving you a top-down look as well. And that full 360 view and various aspects of this air blower. Okay, now let's give it a pump or squeeze. So it does have a very strong burst of air when you squeeze it, given its very large size. So it does have a 60mm diameter body, and overall this large version of the rocket air blower weighs 90 grams. So still fairly lightweight for its size. It feels really easy to squeeze and pump, and you can see the body flexing right there, with the fins bending as well at the rear and the inlet valve at the back, giving a nice strong spray right there, or squirt or squeeze of air. With this air blower in the large size and in black. So let's detach that detachable ABS nozzle. So we can unplug it or detach it by pulling it out, and you can see there are rings around it to give it a secure fitment. So some effort is required, so that ensures that the nozzle stays securely in place as well when in use. And just giving a squeeze right there. So giving you an overall look, close up of this Giotto's rocket air blower. And you can see the finely textured body of the rocket blower itself. And giving you a look right down there. And let's fit the detachable nozzle back into the blower, and you can see just how wide that nozzle base is compared to the neck of the rocket air blower itself. So you can see it's going to be quite a tight fit, pushing or fitting the nozzle back into the blower, but you know that that would give a very, very secure fit. So right there, some effort is required, as you can see, as I push or reinsert the detachable ABS nozzle back into the body of the rocket air blower. And just like that, nice tight seal, just double checking and making sure that it is securely in place and no leaks whatsoever, stays firmly in place. And right there, taking back its original shape once again. And just standing the Giotto's rocket air blower upright again, giving you a nice, clear, unobstructed view. Of this bouncy rubber air duster in the largest of the three sizes. And giving it a couple more squeezes, just so you have some idea how powerful this air duster is. So that's the Giotto's rocket air blower. Thanks for watching and happy blowing!